Chunyakame, Lokoma, let baby. Bini bini Chunyakame, Lokamtika Kuri, Mami Wente Chikakuri.
Alright guys, welcome to this exclusive Luo music interview, and you know what? There's somebody in the studio right now with me, and this is Nash.
A bomb plus wire.
Yeah, that's what you should know. Now, Nash is a musician from northern Uganda. He's one of the dance artists who is upcoming, but is taking up the industry with a fast, scattering style of music. One of his most famous music is called Ma, where he featured what a boy called Triple G. Now, Nash, can you let the people know your name, your real name, and also the secret behind your stage name?
Yeah, that's so fine for giving me opportunity. I'm happy. So I'm called Okwere Manuel. That's my real name, and my stage name is Nash. A bomb plus Y is my slogan. Yeah.
So now, how did you choose your stage name, Nash?
Thank you very much. The name came out of what I did sometimes back in 2018 when I was a dancer. I used to dance a lot, and they gave me that name out of what I did. One day when we won a cup. Yeah.
So what is exactly the meaning of Nash?
Nash. Nash is something nasty, something dangerous.
So you are twisting your waist in a nasty way.
Yeah, in a nasty way.
That's dope, man.
Yeah.
So now, is there anything quite emotional or saddening behind your music called Ma? Because it talks about a kind of somebody falling in love with a lady, and let's say the lady was interested in money.
Yeah, you're right about the question. That song came out of what was going on in that time. There was tension between me and some guy about my lady. So I was trying to tell her that she should be strong-hearted. You know what we mean.
So she should be strong-hearted.
Yeah.
You will get the money.
Yeah.
Now, we have a lot of legends in northern Uganda. We have Rasta Cobra, we have the fallen Muzebi, we have the fallen Lumix the Dawn, and we still have living legends like Kalan Smokey. We have Boss team, we have Lucky D from West Nile. Is there any of these legends of northern Uganda who inspired you to join the music industry?
Yeah. There's one that you have not mentioned. There's one particular boy. I really like the way he give up his audio. Yeah.
So it is Batolo Boy who inspired you.
Like so.
Yeah, Batolo Boy is a dope guy. Recently we went for his Obinen concert in Acholi and Kidgum, and also in Learin front page where he did well. So now, looking at the future of entertainment and music in northern Uganda, where do you think we will be in the next 10 years?
We have much hope. Like me, I really want.
Meaning northern Uganda.
Northern Uganda. Yeah. The way I see things now, it's like the game is changing. Boys are getting serious, and the vibe is changing. I think in 10 years' time, we shall be the most viable. I think we shall win another region. Yeah.
Hopefully. Now, do you know this music genre called electronics?
Yeah.
Have you heard this song by Judas Rap Knowledge called African Warrior?
African Warrior, yeah.
Did you hear this one called New Kupus by Easy, the lyrical?
Yeah.
Then Ba Palamiel by Leo Palayeng, and also Konwe Chung by Leo Palayeng. Then also recent appeal by Man CJ. So that is what is called electronics. What is your perception about Northern Uganda coming up with a different type of genre? Remember, Nigerians came up with Afrobeats and it went over the world. South Africans came with Amapiano and everyone is now playing Amapiano. Now, what if we come with our own? What do you think about that?
Yeah, it could be better when we bring ours too. And that is what is coming up right now. We are starting it slowly. We are bringing our Afro too. Afro Northern Uganda.
So should we expect any kind of our own fusion from you soon?
Yeah.
So guys, you have heard about that. He has promised to drop a kind of appeal by Man CJ, a kind of African Warrior by Judas Rap Knowledge, a kind of New Kubus by his the lyrical featuring the Locristo hitmaker, that is Lux the Mover. So don't forget, stay catching your eye on Nash. Now, Nash, lastly, not to waste your time, maybe second last, I think. I apologize for that. What do you think about Bosmigo team? Just anything you think about Bosmigo team.
Thank you so much for the question. I don't think so much, but think about that guy. He's a legend, first of all, and he has opened very many eyes that we are not seeing. I like his music because it is full of message, and I really want, like me also, to be like such guy.
To the Bosmigo team fans, you have heard what he said. I will not repeat that. Now, last and in primer, they used to say, but not least, you have been live on the Luo Online channel. What do you think should be the future prospect? Something that the Luo Online should bring in future for the viewers and the offline consumers?
I just encourage them to keep on doing what is happening right now. Yeah, there should be massive interview with these Luo people of ours. They are the homies. They should come, they bring their music, they test them like that. Things will all work well.
It's okay, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to his official channel. It is called Nash. The heart sign is heart. Nash KKC2. He is KKC2 music. He calls himself 1+Y.
YC. Yeah.
It's okay. Till we meet again.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Mokatame, my baby, Mokatame, Lokoma, let baby.